Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can do search engine optimizations on Shopify. So Shopify doesn't have a settings for SEO directly. Most of it is automated. The first way you can optimize your CAO, the search engine optimization, is by customizing your website and making sure it has proper structure. So like my store, home, catalog, contact, and on the bottom, make sure there's like about us, or products or something like that. So just make sure your website has proper structure. The next one is products. So here I have some products for examples. And for example, on this product, it's called pants. If you search pants, the likelihood of this coming up on the top of the search bar is very low. So that's why naming things like this, neatly trendy, minimalist, U-shaped, geometric, ear hoop, piercing, earrings for women, cool silver color, zircon, wedding jewelry, blah, 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 blah. A lot of buzzwords. And you can see that things named like that usually perform much better in the online market. The other option you can do is customizing your domain name. So settings, on your Shopify admin dashboard here, you can just go here on settings on the gearbox there. And then pressing on domains. Right now, my domains is just a bunch of letters and numbers that doesn't mean anything all jumbled up. So if, for example, you're selling toys, let's buy a new domain, and the domain name will be Cool Toys. If you're selling toys and your website is called cooltoys.com, then of course it has a higher chance of popping up in the top of search engine results rather than a random string of letters and numbers. There's another method again for search engine optimization, and that's using an external app. Let's exit out. And the way you can access a external app is by going here, apps, and then app and sales channel settings, and then Shopify App Store. Here, let's search SEO. And here, there's a lot of SEO apps you can use. But if you pay attention, a lot of it says free trial, free plan, free plan, free plan, free plan, free plan, free trial. Because most of this is probably paid. And the one that's free is probably limited as well. So I usually avoid using apps and just optimize it with products and domain names and also proper web structure. So that is how you optimize the search engine optimization in Shopify.